Boys, another loss. We are on probably one of my worst losing streaks all time, uh, spanning over 2 weeks now. So last time I won was well two weeks ago, literally 2 weeks ago. As you can see, boom. So loads of red. Um, Normally it's not like that. And it's really hard because, bro, for the first time in 2 months, I'm, yeah, I mean, for the first time in ever, I think, I'm really respecting my plan, bro. I'm really respecting my plan, and more importantly, learning from my lessons, you know? So, all right. So no more battery, so I have to make this quick. Um, but yeah, basically, I'm really, bro, following the plan, really trying to learn from my lessons every time I can. I mean, bro, I'm not risking too much. I'm really respecting the plan, um, but it's just not working. You know what I mean? Literally just not working. Um, Started following my plan really well 2 weeks ago, so it was, yeah, more or less here. More or less no here. So break even loss, big loss actually. This day I is the only day I did not respect the plan. Win, break even, loss. Why, bro? Why? Oh my days, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. The worst thing is that I'm actually almost always right for the setup, like the bias, right? Literally today, no, yesterday I did not trade, and Monday I did not trade either, escaping losses. I could have lost my mind, and I did not, bro. I did not. And it's really good, but today I had a setup, missed it, kind of had a better entry price, entered, and boom, boom, got fucked. Got banged again in the ass, and that makes us row -6% on the combine. Um, that's just like it. If we had respected our plan perfectly, because there are sometimes that I made some tweaks and it kind of freaked me. One day I did risk 2% more. 2 days I risked 1% more, so my plus 2%, so we would be at -400 plus Friday trade, which was diabolical, bro. It was literally diabolical. There's no another word for it. Um, Hit my stop loss, and literally just after, bro, biggest reverse, with a big black, you know what I mean. And yeah, big dick on the upside, and yeah, literally, bro, markets are making me pay for, bro, every single error, every single mistake that I do, like today I did put my stop loss a bit under, and it did not reverse. Like literally this was the only day I did put my stop loss a bit higher, because I said, bro, it's never reversing, you know um and that was a 4 or 5% trade, so we would be, vale, was my mom. So we would be, vale, my mom again, you can guess. um but yeah, uh yeah, making me pay, and we would be on profits by 1%, but still on profits. So it's really the execution which wasn't too good. But the plan was actually, it's barely things, like really small tweaks that completely change it. But on the main thing, I'm really expecting, bro, really putting my, and even that time was literally, I put my stop loss there and I didn't want it to move it further because, it was kind of emotional. I didn't know if I was, so, you know what I mean? 6, 7, oh my days, man. Um, but yeah, basically really hard, really, but that's why only 2% make it, and only, I don't know the percentage, you know. You need to be, bro, in FIFA with a 40 overall, 50 overall, you're pro. In trading, you must be like 80, 80 overall, 95, because you need the 40 from the at least 30 technicals, at least 30, uh, you know, like, sorry, 40 technical, 40 psychological, and the 10 of the risk management, because if you don't have risk management, goddamn, you get banged as well. So that's really it. Um, -6% down. We have still room to go, but it's kind of starting to, like, we can start to smell the bro, the max loss. We're starting to smell it, and hopefully it's just a liquidity sweep. I'm sure that I know that a win is soon, is near, really near. Hopefully tomorrow, bro. Hopefully tomorrow. It's really hard, because, well, now you kind of, you get hit in the face and you're kind of forgetting the plan. Like, what was my actual plan? Like, literally, should I, when it's like that, should I move my stop loss to here or only until here, right? You start to do some tweaks that you don't think are tweaks, but they are actual. And you kind of start losing your, not your mind, but almost, bro, almost. So yeah, actually, we already update this chart here. But again, I get, if you saw, I had the right bias again, bro, just not the good timing. But it's like that, bro. Sometimes your strategy just doesn't work, bro. Just doesn't work. Everyone has 4, 5, 6, 7 losing streak. And I'm right now at, yeah, 4 or 5, bro. I'm already at 4 or 5. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so normally I know that a win is near. Hopefully I don't lose it. I don't, I trade well and I can make it. I can make this win count. And bro, probably we'll be back at, this here, or maybe even more, but at least give us some room. Already 22 days in. I wanted to make it last for a month and a half, I think. So I'm for sure, but actually I'm not quite sure now. Um, we will hold it for 1 month, and pro. When did I start it? 6th of July, first trade 7th of July. All right, 7th of July until the 12th of August. All right, so just 1 month and 1 week. So one of my goals is to be higher than that. I've already made it. And another of the goal is to hold it more longer. Uh, have I already made it? Yeah, but barely, bro, barely. Um, so yeah, basically, at least I'm not doing emotional decisions. Actually, I've never been close to completely losing my mind and crash out, because I know that crashing out minus, you know, you lose your combine. So at least I hope if I lose it, and I hope I don't, but if I have to lose it, I hope I lose it doing like that, respecting my plan, you know, like a man. Don't lose it like a bitch that completely lose your mind, bro. Lose it like a real, because you had to lose it, right? If you kind of start gambling, all you have, you kind of prove that you're profitable. But if I lose it respecting my plan, maybe that means that my plan is not profitable. I know it's not the case because, bro, I've been doing this for a year already, and loads of months I've been profitable. And I know, oh, sorry, and I know it's just a momentum thing, you know, like 2 weeks, 2 bad weeks, and you're done. The momentum comes back, right? The struggle ends. And that excites me, to be honest, because I know that right now, that's kind of weird because I know that we are down. I'm really down, but actually that excites me because I'm like, bro, I'm down, and if I can survive this, I'll be crazy up, right? I'll be crazy up. And probably that makes me, that means that I'm not down enough, you know? Um, so maybe I should play like I'm down, but actually I'm not, you know what I mean? But anyways, kind of starting um, to I don't know the word, bro. I forgot it. But you know what I mean, like talking nonsense. So that's a sign that I should cut my video now and that I've said it all. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. And bro, we'll get back on track to, bro, please have a win. Uh, your GP, you put it here. Have a freaking win finally. And bro, please, 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 please. I respect my plan, but I hope market has tested me enough and you know, wants to give me a rest a bit. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I always forget to say it at the beginning because, well, probably you won't be here by the end of the video. Most of the people aren't here by the end of the video. But if you made it, like, subscribe, comment, and click on another video to see if you like it also. And if you also like it, then you have no choice but subscribe. If you don't, I will come and touch you. All right? So you better do. Anyway, bro, I don't know why the fuck. Well, anyways, bro, let's just close the video before I say anything else.